Friends, good morning. Myself Charu Pukania and today we'll be discussing about the factor affecting in learning the mathematics. So let's get to know first of all what is this mathematics. As we know that this is one of the most important subject in our human life. Without the knowledge of this subject, we can say nothing is possible in the world. Nowadays, mathematics is globally accepted and also mathematics has been accepted as an important component of the formal education from the ancient period to the present day. And also our history shows that ancient scholars developed mathematics practically being oblique day-to-day problem, and the mathematics is also the body of knowledge in the area of science and technology. And this subject is very beautiful and interesting because it has its own symbol, languages, terms and technology, etc. बट समवेयर हम स्टूडेंट्स इस सब्जेक्ट से काफ़ी ज़्यादा डरते हैं और सबसे कम मार्क्स हमारे इसी सब्जेक्ट में आते हैं. सो टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द फैक्टर दैट आर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द लर्निंग रेट इन मैथमेटिक्स. सो व्हाट आर द मेन influencing factor to learn the mathematics? They are as follows. So according to me, there are four major factors that are student related problem or teacher related, environmental related, and the fourth is the parent related. So we'll be discussing one by one what are these factors, किस तरीके से ये factor affect करते हैं in the learning rate of the mathematics. So the very first factor is the student related factor. सबसे पहले जब हम बात करते हैं तो ये स्टार्ट हम करेंगे स्टूडेंट से ही. The first, it is the very first and one of the most important aspect of the high fail rate in mathematics, which play a vital role in teaching learning process. Without the student interest in teaching learning activities, there is no possibility to achieve the knowledge in subject matter. फिर चाहे वो कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, चाहे मैथमेटिक्स है और इट इज़ द साइंस और इट इज़ सोशल साइंस और एनी सब्जेक्ट, विदाउट दिस इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट वी कांट से दैट स्टूडेंट कैन लर्न मच मोर बेटर. And when we see the student related factor, there are main three factors that are mathematics anxiety. बच्चों को डर लगने लग जाता है मैथमेटिक्स सुन के ही, because वो ऐसा इसलिए होता है because they don't have the prior knowledge, and also lack of the student labor because the student don't want to work hard. So let's get to know one by one about the mathematics anxiety, prior knowledge and lack of the student labor. So the first is mathematics anxiety. When we talk about the mathematics anxiety, it is the main student related factor in learning the mathematics, and mathematics anxiety is a negative feeling to a mathematics learning process. When examining the student problem in mathematics anxiety as a feeling of attention, apprehension or fear that interfere the mathematics performance. Mathematics anxiety refers to forget and confidence in subject matter. It also affects the student mathematics learning process and also it affects the subject pass rate in mathematics. तो कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे जो है इस सब्जेक्ट का नाम सुन के ही डरने लग जाते हैं, जबकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सब्जेक्ट. अगर हम किसी चीज़ को समझते हैं तो उसके बाद उस पर काम करते हैं तो आई थिंक वी कैन वर्क मच बेटर. Now the second is the prior knowledge. Prior knowledge is the another aspect of the student related factor, which means the previous knowledge of the student towards the mathematical content. कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा भी होता है कि बच्चों का बेस क्लियर नहीं है, और जब बच्चे का बेस क्लियर नहीं होता है तो वो तब भी उस सब्जेक्ट से डरता है और उसमें उसके कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छे तरीके से क्लियर नहीं हो पाते हैं. सो बेसिक प्रायर नॉलेज इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द factor that influence the learning rate in the mathematics. Now the third is very important, and we can say the very important aspect of the student related factor that affects in a student for the low pass in mathematics or low understanding in the sense कि उन्हें कम समझ में आता है because they don't work hard. अगर आप किसी चीज़ में वीक हो और उसको और अच्छे तरीके से मेहनत करते हैं तो आई थिंक वी कैन गेट सक्सेस, राइट. तो सिमिलरली हेयर मैथमेटिक्स का नाम सुनते ही जैसे बच्चे डर जाते हैं, सो दे डोंट प्रैक्टिस, दे डोंट वर्क हार्ड ऑन दैट सब्जेक्ट. तो ये भी सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर रहा है, लैक ऑफ स्टूडेंट लेवल. सो लेट्स सी कि किस तरीके से वो क्या करते हैं. मैथमेटिक्स इज नीडेड प्रैक्टिस विच हैज़ डिफरेंट थ्योरी एंड सेवरल फार्मूला. सो लर्निंग ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट शुड बी मैनेज एक्स्ट्रा टाइम फॉर द प्रैक्टिस. Generally, mathematics achievement determine the student labor in present situation. Students are नॉट लेबोरियस इन मैथमेटिक्स लर्निंग। वो पहले ही डर जाते हैं क्योंकि इसमें हमारे पास सबसे, अगर हम कहें तो सबसे अच्छा सब्जेक्ट जो है मैथमेटिक्स है, जिसमें हमें कुछ याद नहीं करना सिवाय उसके फॉर्मूलाज की। तो जब हम उसके फॉर्मूलाज को पढ़ते हैं और उस पर लगाए हुए एक ही फॉर्मूले पे आप 10 क्वेश्चन करके देखें तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट। Consequently, mathematics achievement of student was a decisive. It was effect on the student's low pass in mathematics. So student labor is responsible for the learning. Also, the mathematics is a more complex subject to understand than any other subject, but the students are not serious to do hard labor in the process leaving mathematics. But in reality, students did not give more time to learn the mathematics. And also, when we talk about the rural areas, when we say about the rural areas, students are engaged in unnecessary tasks instead of teaching activities. Some students are busy in their household work because they are busy in household work and farming, so students don't have the time to learn the mathematics और कुछ और वो काम थोड़ा सा उसमें और अपना टाइम दे सके ताकि वो प्रैक्टिस कर सके। तो this theory is about the rural areas. Next is the parent support. Parent support, when we talk about the parent support, it is also one of the important aspect of parent factors studying mathematics. Parents who play a supportive role to their children learning, and it is helpful for the improved student achievement in changing the behavior. Parent support can play a vital role at all the stages of the education. Parent achieve support for the child learning and can make a good achievement in education. Those students who could not take support from the family, they did not pass in mathematics. Hence, this is one major cause of low student pass rate in mathematics in the school level. So, parent support is also necessary, which affects the learning rate in mathematics. So, this was the student-related factor. Now, the second is the teacher-related factor. Teacher is teacher is a person who provides the education for student individually and motivate for the teaching learning activities. If the student is not good in mathematics, so teacher should see him or her individually and should motivate, because motivation is the one important factor of the high failure in the mathematics. If we don't give the motivation to the student, or we don't look them individually, तो उनका इंटरेस्ट अपने आप ही धीरे धीरे हटने लग जाता है। अगर हम उन पे थोड़ा सा टेंशन दें, उन्हें इंडिविजुअली उन्हें देखें और उन्हें थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करें, हाँ आप सही कर रहे हैं, आपका एक क्वेश्चन सही हुआ है तो आप इस पे 10 क्वेश्चन और करके देखिए तो वो भी सही होंगे। तो कहीं ना कहीं मोटिवेशन इज़ ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट की फैक्टर, जिस वजह से बच्चा थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट होता है और कैन डू गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स। मोटिवेशन इज इंडिविजुअल एक्टिविटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स टू लर्न मैथमेटिकल नॉलेज, एंड पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन स्टिमुलेट द डिजायरेबल बिहेवियर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट। पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड्स द मैथमेटिक्स प्ले वैल्यूएबल रोल इन लर्निंग मैथमेटिकल knowledge in all the stages of education. So this is the teacher related factor. Now let's see the third one. This is environmental related. When we talk about the environment, that means we are talking about the teaching learning environment and the home environment. Teaching learning environment indicate that the environment inside of the classroom, and home environment indicates the family environment. आपको कैसा क्लास में किस तरीके का environment है वो भी डिपेंड करता है। सेकेंड, आप किस तरीके से अपने घर पे पढ़ाई करते हैं। दिस ऑल द एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर डिटरमाइन द स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटीज इन लर्निंग, एंड ऑल्सो this one environmental related factor can include the economic status of the parents. Economic status of the parents means that कि वो बच्चा स्कूल में तो पढ़ ही रहा है, पूछ भी रहा है, लेकिन कुछ कुछ जगह पे ऐसा भी होता है कि पेरेंट्स आर रिक्रूटिंग द ट्यूटर्स एट होम। तो हर किसी की इतनी नहीं होती, हर किसी की इतनी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती कि दे कैन रिक्रूट अ ट्यूटर एट देयर होम। तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मेजर फैक्टर, दिस एनवायरमेंटल रिलेटेड फैक्टर इन लर्निंग दी mathematics. Now the last is the parent related factor. When we talk about the parent related factor, it is one of the most important aspect, as we discussed earlier also, but here something is different from that the important factor of the student in pass in mathematics. Parents play a major role of their children in education, and also almost children education depends on the family background. कैसा उनका family background है, parents are educated or not, parent का economic status क्या है, because the first school of the children is their home and the second one is the school, right? So home environment affects directly on the child school of the children education, consequently determines the mathematics learning of the children. Parent can introduce and teach values डिपेंडिंग ऑन द पेरेंट एजुकेशन. अगर वो एजुकेटेड हैं तो वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आपको हेल्प करेंगे। एंड इफ़ दे आर नॉट अनएजुकेटेड तो उतनी नहीं, बट जितना भी उनसे हो सकता है दे विल डू। अनएजुकेटेड पर्सन कैन डू नॉट know important of mathematics knowledge in their life and they cannot force to learn the mathematics to their child. अगर हम educated हैं, parents are educated, तो they will force, वो बार बार कहेंगे बेटा मैथ्स पढ़ो, साइंस पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो, वो पढ़ो। बाकी अगर the parents is uneducated तो they don't know the importance of the mathematics, right? So this is also one of the major important factors. So these are the factors that influence the rate of learning in mathematics. So I hope you like this video and you got the concept. Thank you.